Wow.
I'm very surprised that something so inexpensive could make a big difference. Our sleeping routine is actually I get up very early in the morning, so I do go to sleep very early at night as well. Fortunately, I do get up in the middle of the night. I'd like to actually sleep at least 6 to 8 hours in a row without getting up.
To wake up 2-3 times a night because you wake up all the time.
I should say it's actually the mattress, not me. And being in on a mattress that is not very comfortable, so it doesn't help.
Our mattress go like this, so that's sometimes. So it's time to change our mattresses.
Does it feel comfortable?
Yes,
Yeah, right?
I like it.
It's nice and soft. We're gonna have a nice sleep.
Yeah, fortunately.
Okay. Good night. My first impression is actually it feels softer than what I used to have.
Hope you will not wake up 2-3 times during the night.
Revelation. Oh.
Wow.
That's just
Cover.
I thought it was a brand new mattress.
Yes.
I think it'll make a great difference in our sleeping time.
In my back, I saw the difference because it puts on my body.
I'm very surprised that something so inexpensive could make a big difference. Can't wait to sleep on it, that's for sure.
Tonight, darling.
There she goes.
We felt in love with the topper. It was soft also.
I used to actually get up in the middle of the night, and right now I'm actually sleeping straight 6 hours in a row. We used to change mattress instead of adding on to a topper.
Because we didn't know the
we
product.
didn't know
And we thank you to let us try the product. So now we can live without.
It's a big improvement.